In this video, I'm going to show you my thought process when it comes to improvisation or soloing. So when I hear a chord progression, there's a certain way I approach it. So I'm going to play the chord progression and indicate what I did at certain points, the techniques and the applications. So I hope you enjoy. If you want to learn how to play scales and solo effortlessly like I just did in this video, I have a particular intermediate guitar course that has 22 solid videos, and in those videos I've taught different things like your major scales in different positions, pentatonic scales in different positions, triads in different positions. That's not all. I used each of these to explain how to solo. So by the end of the whole course, you would have learned how to solo using your major scales, your pentatonic scales, and triads. That sounds like a good idea, right? So if you're interested in getting the course, use the link below. It has been discounted because we just hit a milestone of 10K on YouTube, and we're excited for you to partake of all our courses at very, very discounted prices. So do well to purchase the course now before the prices go up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to watch more videos on soloing, this next video is going to help you.